Good afternoon. How are you all? I welcome you all to today's online class. Today we will learn about number 6. This is number 6. Okay, how do we write number 6? Firstly, we make a curve like this. Firstly, we make a curve and then we turn it from down like a round circle. A curve and then like a round circle. This is number 6. So kids, this is number 6. And what does it look like? Look, to me it looks like a road. Road ऐसे ही होती है ना, black and then some white stripes in the center. अब इस रोड पे कौन वॉक करेगा? Who would love to walk on this road? Think. Let's make a caterpillar. So kids, we will learn how to make caterpillar from clay. For this, we need clay and a few toothpicks and some mustard seeds, and we will break these toothpicks into small pieces. I have already broken 2 of them. So kids, now we will take out clay from our pack. We will take a very small portion. As we have learned number 6 today, so we will take all these 6 colors: blue, red, yellow, orange, purple and green. Firstly, I am rolling down a blue color clay. Now, red color clay. Now, I am taking some yellow color clay, orange color, and I am rolling all these clay into the shape of a ball. And then a green color clay. So, I will take this yellow color ball and fix one mustard seed and another mustard seed. It will look as eyes of the caterpillar. And I am going to take 2 of these toothpick heads and I will put some purple color clay on its top. It will show as the antennas of the caterpillar, like this. So now I will fix them on the head of the caterpillar like this. And then I will put one toothpick on its back and then fix one color like this. Then one more toothpick on the back and I will fix another color like this. Then one more toothpick on the back and I will fix another color. One more stick, one more color. One more stick and one more color. So our caterpillar is ready. So kids, now our caterpillar is ready and we will make this caterpillar walk on number 6. Move caterpillar, start. Caterpillar is moving. He is taking a curve. Caterpillar is taking a curve. And now he is making a circle. Caterpillar has completed its ride. Let's make him move once again. Caterpillar will start from here and he will start moving. Move caterpillar. Caterpillar is taking a curve. Wow. And now caterpillar is completing his circle. So caterpillar moved on number 6. now you have learned about number 6, and now we will revise the body parts. We will revise body parts from your EVS book. What is this? This is the head. Everyone, touch your head. And what do you feel on your head? I feel some hair on my head. We all have hair on our head. And then below the head we have forehead. We have forehead. And on the forehead I feel some tiny hair. What are these tiny hair? These are our eyebrows. These are eyebrows. And below the eyebrows we have eyes. Everybody touch your eyes. These are our eyes. Now close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. You know, when you close and open your eyes, that is how you blink your eyes. When you close and open the eyes, that is how you blink your eyes. So now let's blink our eyes. Close, open, close, open, close, open. So we are blinking our eyes. So next is the nose. This is the nose. And these are our lips. These are our lips. Yes, kids, now we will learn about the sense organs. There are some parts of our body which help us to see, hear, breathe, taste and feel. These are our sense organs, like our eyes. Eyes help us to see. We have 2 eyes. Count your eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. And eyes help us to see. Now put your hand on your eyes. Close your eyes. Can you see anything? No. Now remove your hand. Open your eyes. Now you can see. So our eyes help us to see. And then we have ears. We have 2 ears. Pull your ears. Yes. Now our ears help us to hear. Whatever our mama says or our ma'am says, we can hear that all with the help of our ears. Now, mamas, please close ears of your baby. So kids, now mama has closed your ears. Are you able to hear what ma'am is saying? No. Mamas, now release the hands. Remove the hand from the ears. Are you able to hear now? Yes. So our ears help us to hear. So inside the lips, this is our mouth, and inside the mouth we have teeth. Show me your teeth. These are our teeth. And show me your tongue. This is our tongue. And now pull your ears. Pull. Pull your ears. And now pull your cheeks. Okay, do googly woogly whoosh with mama. Like this. Okay. This is your neck. These are the shoulders. These are our arms and the legs. These are our arms and these are our legs. And our arms and legs form our limbs. We can walk with the help of our limbs. we can do lots of work with help of our arms and hands. So our arms and hands are our limbs, and this is our stomach, and we have a small hole in our stomach, and it is known as belly button. It is known as belly button. Everyone, touch your belly button. Touch your belly button. So, next is our chest. This is our chest. And now we will do the body parts rhyme. So, everyone start with me. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Thank you. So our next sense organ is our skin. Our body all over is covered with skin. We have skin from head to our toe, on our neck, on our shoulders, on our arms, on our hands. But we usually feel things. Skin helps us to feel, and we feel things when we touch them. Like, here I have ice, and ice is cold. When we touch the ice, only then we can feel that it is cold. And the mug of milk, it is hot. Milk is hot. And cotton is soft. Cotton is so soft. And stone is hard. Stone is hard. And look at this soft toy. This soft toy is so soft, and also it is very furry. Can you feel the fur on the body of this teddy bear? This is furry. So our next sense organ is nose. Touch your nose. Wrinkle your nose. This is your nose. We have one nose and two nostrils. Nose has two nostrils, one and two. And we breathe from our nose. We smell from our nose. And yes, if you close your nostrils, you will not be able to breathe. Try it. Close your nostrils. Are you able to breathe? No. You cannot breathe if you close your nostrils. And now, nose also help us to smell. Now, take a bottle of a perfume or a deo or a room spray. Spray it. And yes, now you smell it with your nose. How do you smell it? Wow, what a fragrance. You smell it with your nose. Yes, so our last sense organ is our tongue. Show me your tongue. This is our tongue. Tongue is inside our mouth, and tongue helps us to taste. Every food has its own taste. Like mango is sweet, lemon is sour, biscuits are sweet, and chips and kurkure, they are salty and spicy. Okay, bitter gourd is bitter. So kids, now I'll show you something. Our tongue has the taste buds. Our tongue has some taste buds. So this front part of our tongue, it helps to taste the eatables which are sweet in taste. Eatables which are sweet in taste. So taste buds for the sweet things lie here. And then taste buds on this part and this part. On the front, right and left edges of our tongue helps to taste salty things. And then moving inside on the tongue helps to taste the sour things. And then the center portion in the back helps to taste the bitter things like bitter gourd. So this portion on the tongue helps to taste the bitter things. So kids, let's do an activity. Mama is going to give you a biscuit. Like I have one. Now taste it and tell me what is the taste of a biscuit. Quickly, eat it fast. So yes, biscuits are sweet in taste. Biscuits are sweet. And now Mama is going to give you either chips or kurkure. Now eat. I have kurkure with me. How do they taste? They taste salty. Yes. Chips are salty and biscuits are sweet. So kids, now name our 5 sense organs. Our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So yes, in today's class we have covered 3 opposites. One is close and open, close and open. Other one is hot, hot cup of milk and cold, hot and cold. And another one is soft and hard, soft and hard. Yes kids, now let's complete our activity sheets. These activity sheets show us the facial features. This baby, in the picture of this baby, all the facial features are missing. And these are the facial features. Let's revise them. This is nose. These are eyes. This is hair. This is the mouth. And these are our ears. These are our ears. Now, I have cutouts of all these facial features. Now let's see how to fix them and complete the face. So firstly, we have 2 ears. Where will we fix? We will fix one ear here and the other one here. We have 2 eyes. So one eye and the second eye. These are our hair. So we will put them on the top. We all have hair on top of our head. And then in between the eyes we have a nose. This is our nose. And below the nose we have mouth. Oh, this baby is now happy. His face is now complete.